my channel, it's Jules. And today I'm going to show you a little Marshalls haul. I went shopping and I got some things for my friends, some things for my family, and I also got some decorations, well, some little party things for a little Christmas party that I'm going to have with my friends next week. We're just going to like bake gingerbread houses, make some pizza, decorate cookies, and just like have a great time, make hot cocoa, snuggle up in blankets, and you know, just a great time. Okay, so I'm going to just show you what's on the top of the pile, which is this fuzzy jacket that is reversible. It's like a rusty browny red color on the outside, and it's like a pinky mauve color. My hair's in it. That's because I wore it to school today. And there's two pockets on the outside and inside because it's reversible, like I said. I'll put it on for you. It's so cozy and cute, and I live in New Jersey, so it is colder than like California or Florida or whatever. But like this keeps me warm. It actually kept me warm today, and it was a little flurries of snow out. This jacket just kept me warm. And that's saying a lot because I was wearing short sleeves, I was wearing this shirt. I highly recommend getting it. It was $26 from Marshalls, and it's by the brand Love Tree. It's in a size small. It's amazing. It's so fluffy and I love it. The next fluffy jacket I bought is actually like a plaid pattern. And this one's thinner than that one because it's not reversible. It doesn't have the fluff on the inside. It's just like a soft material. But it's not itchy because a lot of fluffy sweaters are itchy on the inside, which is uncomfortable. This one again has two little pockets. I'll put this one on also. It's so warm. Oh my gosh, I could wear this today because I have Christmas socks. I love this. I don't think this one's going to be as warm as the other one because it is thinner and it's not like double-sided, so there isn't fluff on the inside. But this is definitely going to be very cute when I layer up for the winter time because I'm not going to get cold and I'm not going to get sick. Ooh, my hair's staticky. Okay. And this is by the brand Pink Rose. I got it for $20 at Marshalls, and it originally sold for $25, so that was pretty good. Next, I got this fluffy jacket. I'm not going to try it on because I am going to give this away for like a Secret Santa gift. And it's just pink on the outside. It's not fluffy on the inside. It has like a nice little soft material, but the collar is white, and so when you roll it over, it's going to be so cute. It's just going to be white. It's by the brand Poof New York. It was $16.99 and it was originally priced for $22. I just think it's so cute, and it's like kind of thin, so you might want to layer up when you wear something like this, but it's really cute because it's just like a quarter zip, and the little zipper has brown leather detailing. So I just wanted to show you this little box that I'm making of Christmas gifts, and this is just going to be like how I was describing before, how I'm going to make a box, and all my friends are making boxes, and then we're going to put them in a room, exchange boxes, and this is what's in mine. I have this puffy jacket that I showed you before. I have these really cute fuzzy socks that are gray, green, and white, so they're kind of Christmassy, but they're also like not, so you can wear them all throughout the year. And I'm pretty sure they're a little bit higher up above the ankle. They were $1 from the Target dollar section. And then this little bath salt, it's brand new. It just has a little stain. I don't know why. It's from Target also. It's from the dollar section. And then I just got this because it's more festive and it goes with green scheme over there. And they're just little candies that are red, white, and green. So I'm just sticking this in here, and then I'm going to wrap it. And yep, that's it. Next, I got these camo cargo pants, but they're not like cargo material because they're actually soft. They're like joggers because they're tighter at the end, and they're also tight at the top. And the way you can close them is there's a button, and there's also this kind of thing. I don't know how to describe it, but you would just put the little hook in the little loop area. There's a zipper, and then there's a belt so you can cinch your waist, and it has like little grommets going all the way down so it fits any waist size, and it just makes it look a little more edgy. And it has little pockets on the side, which are super cute. You can put all your stuff in there, your phone, your chapstick, your money. It's perfect. It's so cute. I love it. These are just some gifts that my mom and I got for my brother and my dad. My dad needed some white shirts, so we just got him some nice V-neck Tommy Hilfiger shirts. They're originally $40, and we got them for $15. That's pretty good. I know it says originally $20, but on the back it says originally $39.50. So I'd say this is a bargain. And next, we just got him some underwear. I'm not going to show this, but yeah. And then we got him and my brother matching underwear, which are just Vineyard Vine Whales with snowflakes, and I think they're so cute. I think me and my mom need to have matching pajamas. And then my dad needed some slacks, so got him some slacks. And next are going to be gifts for my two best friends and then some little party decorations. So my best friend in 2nd grade, I got her this little M keychain and these socks. And these socks are just like so her. They're sparkly and fuzzy. And if you just know her, she's sparkly and fuzzy. That's not the best description, but she's just so outgoing, and it's just like matches her personality. So we got her these socks, and I got her this little blue keychain that has an M because it's so cute, and she loves keychains and lanyards and everything like that. She loves keys. For my other friend, I got her these little clips to hold onto her Polaroids because she has a bunch of Polaroids in her room, and I told her about my Polaroid wall over there, and she thought it was really cool. But then I also thought, hey, she's going to college soon, why not get these little clips and hang them in her dorm? I also got her the M monogram keychain that's in blue with the little gold chain detailing, and this one's in gold too. Look, I love how it lights up, and you can try it out. And these are just like such a perfect little combination as a gift. I think it's so cute. Next, I got some things for my little Christmas party. I got cute little napkins that have like plaid on the side detailing. There's Christmas trees, snowflakes. It's really cute. And then I got the same matching plate set so we could have like little desserts like Christmas cookies, brownies if someone makes brownies, whatever dessert we have, you can just put it on this, or even when we make pizza, you can put it on this just to make it extra cute and Christmassy. And of course, every Christmas party has to have hot chocolate, so I got chocolate spoons because it's $1.99. Why not have chocolate spoons and be extra? It's not really extra. Super cute and crafty. This is 100% premium chocolate. That's amazing. Let me read. Well, it's vegetarian, but it does contain peanuts, tree nuts, and soy. So if you're allergic to that, maybe just read the back of this if you are getting it. Just make sure it doesn't have anything you're allergic to, because I know I definitely cannot give this to one of my friends who's allergic to so many things, like the world. I'm kidding. Okay, but be careful with that. Next, I got this kit. It's just an ugly sweater cookie kit with vanilla frosting, red frosting, and green frosting. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know this. There's sprinkles here. It comes with sprinkles. But it comes in with these little sizes. So it's just a button-up sweater, a button-up vest, an ugly Hawaiian shirt. That's the bonus. A turtleneck. Oh my gosh, there's names. Let's begin. Let's start over then. Okay, it's the unsightly cardigan, which is a little button-up. Then a hideous vest. Bonus ugly Hawaiian shirt. I don't think that's ugly. I think that's kind of cute. But you know, it's all your perspective. Then an atrocious turtleneck. Why are they being so mean? They're not ugly. This one's not ugly. This one's not ugly. These, kind of ugly. And then there's a homely crew neck. Yeah, kind of gross. But you know, you gotta make it as ugly as possible so you win the ugly sweater competition. We're also gonna have gingerbread houses that we're gonna make, but we're gonna make them from scratch. Like get milk cartons and then graham crackers and frosting and make it like that, because I think that's like, it's actually more tasty. It's not a gingerbread house, it's like a graham cracker house, but it tastes better. I don't really enjoy the old stale gingerbread mixes. I mean, boxes. I don't enjoy the old stale gingerbread boxes that you have to make. So I think these are cool because these are fresh, and I got them from Trader Joe's. And Trader Joe's is like my second home. They're so good. Like every single thing that they sell is amazing, and the people there are amazing too. Fun fact, if you go to Trader Joe's, you can sample anything. If you find something and you want to see what it tastes like, each person can sample one thing. So you get it, you go to the little sample station and ask them to sample it because they will let you. So, if you want to go, get this ugly sweater cookie kit because it's so cute, and I'm so excited to make this with my friends. I would definitely try to post some videos on my little Christmas party and setting up for it and everything like that. I'm so excited for it. I'm gonna have it next week, and I'm gonna tell all my friends to come. We're gonna have little Christmas gifts that we give each other. We're gonna put it all in a box, and then we're gonna shuffle it around the room, and then everyone just grabs a box, and that's how it's gonna be like. And so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you enjoy videos like this, be sure to subscribe so you see more videos like this. Also put the little bell notification on so you get notifications when I post a video, which I am posting every day this month. Yeah. And then after this month, we are going to see what my schedule is like with school, work, being a senior, trying to get into college. Then I will let you know what my new schedule is for uploading. I know it's not going to be every day, but it's definitely going to be maybe like once a week. It'll probably be once a week. I'll tell you what day it's going to be. So I'll update you guys on that after December. That's it. Bye.